Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch between smart audio and video modes on your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open a JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app and then the application open for you. The headphones menu, if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Now you need to scroll down and right here we have smart audio and video. So firstly, make sure that you enable this mode. So you need to tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. After that, right here we have two modes, audio mode and video mode. So video mode improve lip sync, and if you watch the video or the movie, I recommend to use this mode. You can switch by just tap on it. And we have also audio mode, what improve audio quality. So you can also switch to the audio mode by again just tap on it and wait a bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.